In this video, we will demonstrate how you will send data via Fluent CRM by Bitform. At first, install Fluent CRM plugins. Then, go to Bitform. From the Bitform dashboard, create a new form, if not exists, or select any other form for Fluent CRM integration. We have 3 fields here, and we have selected the form at the front end to show. Go to Setting, click on Integration, click on plus icon. Then click on Fluent CRM. Type integration name. Then click on Connect to Fluent CRM. Successfully connect Fluent CRM. Then click the Next button. You can see the Fluent CRM lists and tags. Then select Lists and Tags. Then Map field. Email is a mandatory field in Fluent CRM. Are you skip exists contact? Check skip exists contact. And for double opt-in, check double opt-in. Then click on the Next button. Click on Finish and Save button. Now navigate to the Conditionals Logics tab. Here you can trigger any integration by setting conditions by your choice. To know more about conditional logics, watch our video about conditional logics, link in the description. Click on Record Create/Edit from Action Run When section if want to run when a record creates or edits. Then checked on Form Submit from the Action Effect section. Then click on Always from the Action Behavior section if you want to run always without any condition. Then click on Integration and select the integration name. Now update your form by clicking the Update button. Now go to the front end of your selected form and type some information. Click on the Save button to submit the data. After successful submission, go to Form Responses. Here you can view the submitted data and API response. Also, check your Fluent CRM contact lists. Thanks for watching.